Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. We'll be solving the second problem under exercise 4.3. That is, we are continuing with plotting graphs, plotting points on a graph paper from the under linear equations in two variables. The problem given over here is x minus y equal to 2. So once again we'll look to plot 3 points. So let me put down a table first. So that would be x and y, and this time last time I assumed for x, this time I'll assume for y because we have negative y over here. So we'll try to take it on the other side and become positive rather than deal with the negative one. So I'll take y equal to 0, then y equal to 2 and y equal to 4, and draw a rough table over here. Okay, so let's begin solving for each of these values of y. So at y equal to 0, let's see what we get. The equation is x minus y equal to 2. Instead of y we put the value which is 0 equal to 2, which means we get x is equal to 2. So when y is 0, x is 2. Next at not x, y equal to 2. Let's see what we get. X minus y equal to 2. X minus and y we have assumed as 2, so this will be 2 equal to 2. I'll take 2 on the other side, it will become positive. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. So that y is 2, x is 4. And lastly we'll take when y is equal to 4. Let's see what we get. X minus y equal to 2. X minus 4 equal to 2. We take 4 on the other side, it becomes positive. 4 plus 2 is 6. So when y is 4, x is 6. So we've now got 3 points for each x and y. Now let's plot them on a graph. Here's a graph. I've already plotted the x-axis and y-axis, and the scale remains the same. On x-axis it is 1 centimeter per unit, and on y-axis also it is 1 centimeter per unit. Once again, the top half of the y-axis is positive, the bottom half is negative, and on the right hand side the x-axis is positive, whereas on the left hand side x-axis is negative. Now let's begin plotting the points. So the first point that we have over here is when x is 2, y is 0. So when x is 2, y is 0. Okay, so our first point will be out over here. Let's mark this. The next one is when x is 4, y is 2. So when x is 4, y is positive 2, which means over here. Once again we have to get a straight line. When x is 6, y is 4. That is, when x is 6, y is 4. So it will be out here. Now that we have got 3 points, we need to draw a straight line passing through those 3 points. So our straight line should look something like this, passing through each of those 3 points. You can mark those 3 points over here. This was 2, 0, and this was 4, 2, and this was this is 6, 4. And as we know, this particular line represents the equation of a straight line, and that equation is x minus y equal to 2. So once again we have easily plotted this graph. We get a straight line after plotting 3 points. The only difference that we did compared to last time was we began with assuming the values of y rather than x, and once we had assumed them, we found the values of x, opposite of what we did in the previous problem in the previous video. Okay, so that's it. That's in this video we solved the second problem from exercise 4.3. If you've liked watching the video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.